Abacus classes.
Good evening students, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are in the best of your health. Welcome to the Abacus classes. I am your Abacus teacher, Miss Gariba Singh. I hope kids you remember me. Very nice. Kids, in our last video, means the previous week video, we have discussed the small friend plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3. I hope students you remember it. With this formula, I have also given you one practice PDF. I hope students you have done that practice PDF in your Abacus notebook. I hope students कि आपने वो practice PDF अपनी Abacus notebook में की होगी. Very nice. So students, plus 4 is equals to plus 5 minus 1. This formula we have completed. Plus 3 is equals to plus 5 minus 2. This also we have completed. And the last one was plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3. Now 3 formulas we have completed and I have also provided you the practice PDF for it. Now our today's formula is the last formula of small friends of addition is this. Plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. Our last one. Now, as you all know that small friends contain formulas of addition also and subtraction also. Small friends में दो टाइप के formulas होते हैं, addition के and subtraction के. As you can see, plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, they are 4 of addition and these are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, they are for subtraction. These formulas I have make you write in your Abacus notebook. I hope students you have written them in your notebooks. Very nice. So students, the 3 formulas of addition we have completed in our previous video. हमने पुरानी videos में 3 formulas complete कर चुके हैं. Now today we are going for the last formula for addition, which is plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. Before starting our today's sum, I will discuss the Abacus tool with you. As you can see students, I have drawn the Abacus tool on whiteboard. First of all, we will label it. This rod, the mid dot rod, is called units rod, or we can say ones rod. Is it fine? And this besides the units rod is tens rod. Students, I have drawn only these 2 rods because we will do our calculation in these 2 rods only. Is it fine? So this is your Abacus tool. These are your beads and small friends formula. And our today's topic, which is based on plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. So let's start students with our first sum. (42) 12 31 minus 35. So this is your first sum. Students, as I always tell you that your first row will go in ones rod and second one will go in tens rod. This row will go in ones rod, the first rod, and this row will go in the second rod. See O, you can write here O for ones, and this is T. Ones rod, tens rod. So now let's start. Before starting, students, the best way to learn abacus is just play my video, put the tool in front of you and do with me. I hope, students, that this time you are having your abacus tool in your hands. Very nice. Just do with me, okay? So first of all, we have to add 2. No sign means add. So we have to add 2. 2 means 2 beads up. See, 2 beads up. Now next is 4. 4 will go in tens dot and no sign means add. So 4 we have to add means 4 beads up in tens dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it fine? 4 beads up. Now next, this is completed. Now next is you have to add 2. Now you can add 2. 2 beads are there. Very nice. So 2 beads up. For adding, what you have to do? For add, you have to put the beads up. For minus, you have to put the beads down. So here you have to add 2. 1, 2. I have put the 2 beads up. Now 1. Now see, students, 1 you have to add in tens dot. But you can see no bead is there. No bead is there left out. How you will add 1? So for adding 1, you have to use the small friend formula, which is plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. This formula. The one which we are talking about, and our today's video is based on this formula only. Now you have to add 1. Now see, for this one, you have to use the formula. Now how you will use the formula? As I always told you that apply the formula and leave other things. Means if you will apply the formula, the 1 will get added and you have to do nothing. Means for adding 1, see 1 we have to add but the bead is not there. So first of all what we will do? We will do plus 5 according to the formula. Plus 5 means add 5. Add 5 means put the 5 bead down. See, put the 5 bead down. So I have added 5. Now what you have to do? See, minus 4. Minus 4. Minus means put the beads down. 4 beads down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads down. And your 1 is added. Nothing you have to do now. Again I will explain you, students. You have to add 1 in tens dot but bead was not there. I have told you that whenever you get lack of beads, you take the help of small friend formula. So here you have to add 1 but bead is not there. So you have used the formula plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. Plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. Means you have to add 5 and then you have to minus 4. If you will do this, then your 1 will get added. Nothing you have to do. So students, first of all you have added 5. See, 5 you have added. 5 you have put it down. Then you have done minus 4. Minus 4 means, minus means put the beads down. So 4 beads you have put down and your 1 is added. Nothing you have to do now. Now this is finished. Now next what you have to do? You have to add 1 in one's dot. So 1 again you have to add. See, but the bead is there? No, no bead is there. How you will add 1? Add means put the beads up, up. No bead is there. So here also you will use the formula for adding 1. Now see students, this you have to add in 1's rod. So formula also you will apply in 1's rod only. So what is your formula? Plus 5 minus 4 plus 5 minus 4. Just remember it kids. Whenever you get lack of bead of 1, means you have to add 1 and bead is not there. Just make it in your mind that you have to use the formula plus 5 minus 4. Plus 5 minus 4. So 1 you have to add. Bead is not there. So what you will use? Plus 5. Add 5. Add means put the 5 bead down. 5 minus 4. Minus 4 means put the 4 bead down. You have done plus 5 minus 4 and your 1 is added. Nothing you have to do now. Now you have to add 3 in 10's rod. So add 3. 3 means 3 beads up. 3 beads up. Now you have to do minus 3. See, please be careful for the sign. See, minus 3 is there. Minus you have to do. Minus means put the beads down. Minus 3 means put the 3 bead down. 1, 2, 3. Then minus 5. Minus 5 means minus 5 in 1's rod. Minus 5 means put the 5 bead back to its place. Now what is your answer kids? See, here is 5. Nothing is there. And here is nothing. Nothing means 0. And 50 is your answer. I hope students you are getting this. You will get it more when we will do the next sum. So we will move to our next sum. Just set your abacus. Upper beads up, lower beads down. Now we will move to our second sum. 44, 11, 33 minus 11. Now, as I always says, this will go in 1's rod, this will go in 10's rod. Please remember this students, it's very very important. Now next is add 4 in 1's rod. So add 4, 4 means put the 4 beads up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the 4 beads up because you have to add. Add means put the beads up. Now next you have to add 4 again. So add 4. Add 4 means put the 4 beads up. I hope students you are doing with me. Very nice. Just play my video, put the tool in front of you and do with me. It's the easiest way to learn the abacus. So this we have done. See, 4 added, 4 added. Now 1 you have to add in units order. Now how you will add 1? You can see here clearly no bead is there. So here for adding 1 you have to use the formula. Yes. Plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. Now some students will think that by doing this plus 5 minus 4 how 1 is added? See, first of all you are adding 5. Then you are subtracting 4. So how much is left out? 1. So 1 is added. So for adding 1, what you have to do? First of all add 5. Add 5. 5 I have added. Done. Now you have to do minus 4. Minus 4 means put the 4 bead down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it fine? Very nice. And your 1 is added. Nothing you have to do now. You have done plus 5. Then you have done minus 4. And your 1 is added. Plus 5, minus 4. Plus 5, minus 4. Just learn it. Now next you have to add 1 in tens rod. This one. See, 1 you have to add, 1 is not there. Again, lack of beads. Lack of bead means you have to take the help of small friends formula. आपको small friends formula की help लेनी है. So you have to add 1. Bead is not there. So for 1, what you have to do? Plus 5 minus 4. So do plus 5. Plus 5 we have done this. I have added 5. Minus 4. Minus 4 means put the 4 beads down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is done. Now you have to add 3 in one's rod. 3 means put the 3 beads up. Put the 3 beads up. Again you have to add 3 but in tens rod. So put the 3 beads up. Done? This also done. Now you have to do minus 1 and minus 1. Means from one's rod and tens rod you have to do minus 1. So first of all we will do minus 1 in one's rod. Minus 1 means, minus means put the bead down. And then again minus 1 means put the bead down. Now this is completed and this is your answer. Now count it. First of all we will count tens rod. See 5, 6, 7. And here 5, 6, 7. So your answer is 77. See students, just learn that wherever you will get lack of bead, इसे याद कर लीजिए कि जहाँ पर भी आपको bead की कमी होगी. And which bead? 1. Means you have to add 1 but bead will not be there. आपको 1 add करना होगा लेकिन bead नहीं होगी. So what you have to do? आपको क्या करना है? First of all you have to add 5. आपको 5 add करना है. Then you have to do minus 4. आपको 4 को minus कर देना है. And your 1 will get added. First of all you have to do 5 means plus 5. आपको 5 add करना है. Then you have to do minus 4. आपको 4 को minus कर देना है. And your 1 will get added. Just learn it in your mind. So now we will move to our next sum. I hope students you get this. Set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now your third sum and your last sum. This. Now as I always tell you, this will go in one's rod, this will go in tens rod. Now, first of all, you have to do plus 1. Plus 1 in one's rod. So, for plus, what you have to do? Put the beads up. So, 1 bead up. One bead up. Now, next, you have to add 1 in tens rod. आपको 1 tens rod में add करना है. So 1 means put the 1 bead up. Done? See 1 I have added in one's rod, 1 I have added in tens rod. Now this is completed. Now next you have to add 3 in one's rod. 3 means see 1, 2, 3 beads are there. So 3 I will add. Add means put the beads up. 1, 2, 3. Done. Now you have to add 4 in tens rod. आपको 4 ऐड करना है tens rod में. Now students, see that 4 beads are not there. See 1, 2, 3, only 3 beads are there. And you have to add 4. 3 beads हैं, आपको 4 ऐड करना है, means there is lack of beads. Now students, अब today's topic is +1 is equals to +5 minus 4. हमारा आज का टॉपिक है +1 is equals to +5 minus 4. मीन्स हमारी आज की वीडियो इस फॉर्मूले पे बेस्ड है. बट these 3 formulas we have done earlier. हम इन्हें पहले कर चुके हैं. So they can also come again in our questions. ये भी हमारे क्वेश्चंस में दोबारा भी आ सकते हैं. So we have to learn them. Learn them means whenever they will come again, we have to apply them again. जब भी आए तो आप इसको दोबारा अप्लाई करें. Means here you have to add 4. यहाँ पर आपको 4 ऐड करना है, but beat नहीं है. So go for 4 formula. 4 का फॉर्मूला क्या है देखिए वहाँ पे. +4 is equals to +5 minus 1. So for adding 4, we have to use this. This we have done earlier. It can also come again in our questions because we have done it. So first of all you have to add 5. For adding 4, what you have to do? Add 5 minus 1. Add 5 minus 1. So first of all add 5. Now you have to apply this 4 in tens rod. So here you will first of all add 5. Added. Now minus 1. Minus 1 means put the bead down. And your 4 is added. Done. See? We have get lack of bead of 4. We have used our old formula +4 is equals to +5 minus 1. We have added 5. Then minus 1. And our 4 is added. Now we will go for this 1 in ones rod. Now you have to add 1 but bead is not there. So this is only our today's topic, which is +1 is equals to +5 minus 4. So this is our today's topic and formula. So for adding 1, what you have to do? +5 minus 4. So first of all add 5. Add 5. Then do minus 4. Minus means put the beads down. Put the beads down. And your 1 is added. Now you have to add 2 in tens rod. 2 means put the 2 beads up. Now this is done. Now you have to add 2 in ones rod. 2 means put the 2 beads up. And then you have to add 1 in tens rod. 1 means put the 1 bead up. And this is completed. Now what is your answer, kids? Count. 5, 6, 7, 8 in tens rod and 5, 6, 7 in ones rod. And this is your answer. I hope students you get this. Our today's topic is +1 is equals to +5 minus 4. This small friend formula today I have explained you. I hope you get this video. Students, with this video I have also given you one practice PDF which is related to this formula. So in that PDF there are sums in which you will get lack of beads. And which bead? 1 bead. So students, wherever you will get lack of bead of 1, so what you have to do? You have to add 5, then you have to minus 4 and your 1 will get added by itself. Nothing you have to do after it. Very nice. Students, with this formula, we have completed our small fence formula for addition. In my next video, we will learn new things, new concepts. So make sure students you watch every single video and stay tuned to my video to learn more. Thank you.
Practice the sums in Abacus notebook. Like and subscribe the video. Thank you.